Hey guys, this is Faridi aka Funky Fresh Fat. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this Royal African Basin head wrap, also known as Gele in Nigeria and Moussor in Senegal, which is my husband's beautiful hometown where I get all my inspiration from. So please stay tuned. What you'll need to achieve this style is this particular fabric called basin. It has the quality to keep the shape you give it. And as you'll see, it has been used already, but still will appear neat once I style it. That's my light that almost fell. Sorry about that, guys. So I folded in half a 24 by 71 inch basin fabric available through my new brand SAFAREECHIC, and I placed the middle in the bottom part of my head. Now this is the only tricky part. You want to cross the left side towards the right and cross the right side on top of the left so you can get that V effect on your forehead. Then you will grab the left side inside the wrap. Don't be afraid to mess things up. What matters is that it's tight enough when you tie it in the back. If the fabric is all over your face like that, it's normal. Just slightly pull it up and you will see the foldings appearing on their own. Hold the base while slightly pulling right side towards the left. I find that I pulled it a bit too much here, and you'll see that the outcome is gonna be different than the second one I'm gonna do for you in a fast forward mode. Bottom line is that you have the technique. Once you have it, you're good, but you'll notice that every time you do it, it's never gonna be identically the same. All I use to fix the wrap on my head are knots to stabilize it. No pins, no needles. You just join the right tip with the already tied knot, and you can do the same with the left side. I'm showing you both, but I prefer leaving the left side hanging. Just showing you the look, but normally you would tuck the knots inside to finalize the look. Here's the fast forward version where I find that the outcome is much prettier than the first one. Feel free to follow my new SAFAREECHIC IG page and web page, where you'll find basin head wraps in different colors along with these wax jewels I handmade myself just for you. Again, thanks for liking, commenting, sharing this page. I really appreciate it when you comment and give me your feedbacks, so please continue to do so. All right, so be blessed. Ciao.